Alright, you guys. Well, back at it again. What's up? Just got off work. And round 2 for the vlog, for the boys. As you guys saw last time, the homie Juan.
You beat Carl today.
Bro, this fool's just chilling down the street, just parked. I pull up next to his window and then I just drive off. Like, what are you doing by yourself over here? Wow, clapped out M2. Never sus.
Never sus.
Are you over there chilling by yourself, bro? It's kind of.
Oh.
Oh.
I was talking to Ivan.
Wow.
He's my best friend.
See, you talked to him second. I talked to him earlier. Shout out to Ivan, my best friend. Kenny's car is over there. We at the shop again. I don't know what we're doing today, so we'll find out. Shit, bro. I'd rather you vlog. I feel like the vlog was really good the other day. Basically, you said that was him and Juan. Too funny, bro. Bro, we ain't that.
That's why you came from Glendale, fool.
I'll take care of you, bro.
What's up, bro?
Wow, look at you with the essentials today. You said F Target, huh?
Chinatown.
Oh, damn, you too? Now I feel left out. Hey, we're waiting for Sam too. No, he's gonna pull up. Oh, he's not?
I don't know.
Wow, Sam, if you're watching, you're flake. I hope I don't ruin the air suspension. Look, you guys. Hell yeah. Hey, you're gonna slow us down. Just wait outside. Hell yeah. Wait, I'm not used to this key. Hey, as soon as you hit the unlock button, it goes. Oh, look at this Lambo vibes. Wow, with the carbon fiber mirrors. Damn, watch the thickness over here. Oh, you fit. Bro, we could fit like 5 cars back there.
Oh my!
It's not bad.
One mark, bro.
Uh-oh.
Move your seat up, Mark, and you know you can't reach
Bleep it
that.
out. What do you mean?
Bro, you're like 5'2".
Bro,
You're lying to your subscribers.
Oh
bro.
my god, bro.
I'm only 5'2".
Bro, your perm is what gives you like extra 3 inches, bro.
Never for him.
Shit, where's the button at, bro? Oh!
Sorry,
It's
man.
not right here?
Sorry, man. This guy's poor, bro. Sorry, this guy's poor.
I still turned the key in mine.
Just so you guys feel special.
What are we doing? Oh! Wow, bro.
Don't touch it, bro.
Whoa! My bad. Hey, you installed it?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, I'll listen then.
Dude, launch this motherfucker.
Bro, this is sick, bro.
Bro, you don't know work seatbelt, dog.
I don't know.
Sorry, man. This guy's poor, bro. He's never been in a car.
Sorry, bro. Yeah, let's get some air in here.
It's fucking hot.
There's a lot of people.
Bro, stop sucking all the air, bro. Stop sucking all the air, bro.
One extra person in
There's
here.
too many people in here, bro.
Dude, if you guys see Mark in real life, this guy sounds like he has fucking asthma every time you see him. Every time he's vlogging, he's like,
Oh!
Yeah, just this shit's cool.
Alright.
hey, he's low in blinker fluid, fool.
Wait,
Turn off the
wait.
fucking...
What am I
God,
doing?
the clutch,
Oh,
bro.
Fucking
Fucking clutch.
bro.
What a fucking idiot, bro. Fucking...
Oh!
Oh, this guy was... Fuck, guy, bro.
I don't know if shit's breaking though.
It has, yeah, it's like you need to touch it like a little more than you would any other one. You want it auto or?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. Auto slow until you floor it.
Okay. Oh!
Just do patty.
Bro, we just went race car mode.
Oh my god, it's so fast. Why are we going so fucking fast?
DC2?
Yeah, it's different because the transmission's behind you rather than underneath.
Look at this roof line.
Bro, speak for yourself, man. Juan's fine, bro.
Bro,
How about you?
5'2" and look.
Bro,
Still close.
that's a lot of head. That's a lot of head, bro. This guy
I need
driving
some
like
open space, bro. This shit's
they're driving like a
monster.
grandma, bro. Oh, he goes on the wrong.
There you go.
Ready?
Forward.
Oh! Why are we going so fucking fast?
Let's go!
Go.
Oh my god.
Bro, there's a cop, dude. Relax.
He ain't a cop, bro.
Yeah, it is.
Fucking
Some
narc.
kind of Park.
Trick ass, Mark.
Oh my god, why you go so fast?
Oh, let's go. The only thing I'm worried about is it doesn't tell me what gear I'm in.
Oh, yeah. Half of my fucking
But you never-
cluster is burnt, so I have to get that
Oh,
fixed.
shit. Yeah, because I'm like tripping out. I don't want to downshift.
Yeah, the ones from there.
Get in first.
Ah, you're fine.
Yeah. All over me.
Yeah, just you, bro.
What intakes do you have?
Top 3 inches.
You said cop again. I'm like, what?
No, cob.
Cop 3 inches? I was like, where's the radar? You need an exhaust, bro, because this shit's creeping up. Like on people, they don't even know we're coming, dude. Should we just go back the other way?
Just bust a bitch,
We're
bro.
gonna be stuck on fucking Twitter.
Alright, right here. You're in first, right?
I think so.
Slow down, let it roll. Alright, floor it.
Ready?
That was insane, bro.
Bro, no chirp, no tire spin.
Really
Oh
chill.
my god.
It's a different animal.
Hey, did it bring traction?
Nah, not at all. Just
Not
a
at all.
little
That was
bit.
insane, bro.
That's because Big Papa over here put it in a chokehold.
Bro, I saw fucking Juan holding the steering wheel, bro. Get the fuck out of here.
Alright, you wanna go?
Huh?
You wanna go now?
Nah, I don't really trust myself in people's cars.
I wouldn't trust you either.
I mean,
No,
So
just
you have-
myself
hey,
personally.
unless you're
No, I
actually-
wouldn't drive it like
real,
that.
Real glasses.
All right, let me drive it then. Fucking pull over.
Put some real glasses on,
Hey.
bro. Then you can drive.
You gotta drive from the back though.
Hey, y'all can walk.
Open.
Y'all can walk on the way back, dog.
Hey, sit in the middle right here. Yo, look at this. I'm like ducking down right now.
Because you're all neck, no head.
No, it's the other way, fool. Oh my. We're back here. We fit, barely.
Yeah, I can-
Barely. Oh! Dude, did you not see him? Oh my.
Where's the clutch, bro? I never driven a GTR.
Bro, let me borrow the shaver, dude. I know you got it in your car.
But yeah, bro, you need a haircut, man. That shit's clap.
Hey, I'm getting one tomorrow. Chill.
Anyway, it's how you have a vlog.
I know.
Just say it's like
That's why he had us up, bro. Just for
yeah,
content.
I mean, that's fine. Just say like
That's
1,000 horsepower GTR or some shit as the thumbnail.
3 guys, 1 Skyline, bro. England Skyline.
Say almost.
when they finally tame Gorilla.
Oh shit.
That drive's good, bro.
Alright, stop driving like a grandpa, bro.
But anyway,
I knew you were 40, bro.
Or you look older than me, dog.
No. Bro, we put a mustache on you, you're like 65
Bro,
for
you
sure.
look like Coco. You just put a wig on you.
Oh! Oh!
You shifted early, bro.
Yeah. Grow some balls.
Just make sure you guys pose, right?
Oh shit, dude.
I got it taking it. Well,
You did?
I didn't get the picture, but I got a flash it. Alright, when you turn left, wherever it is.
Hey, go back, let's get that picture.
Alright, you're doing rolling launch right here.
Bro, I don't trust myself.
Slow down. Just do first. Go.
Not first.
Yeah.
Go. Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Oh, dip, go right, go right, go right, go right. Oh, you tough, bro.
You put that in the vlog, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Fatality.
Where we going, bro? Asian man back at it.
Go right.
So that same family pops out again, bro.
trying to cross again.
Go.
Good thing you have good brakes on this.
Forward.
Oh! I think he lost traction there.
But it still goes.
Alright, be careful, creep. Yo, this is part two.
He's still not using your mic.
Nope, not right now.
This guy spent $400 on mics.
Wow, famous blue check mark boy. Hazard.
Go back, bro. Dirty hose.
Wow, 2 show cars. Rich. Must be nice. Just out here. And you just started a brand? Oh my god. Bro, money's just falling out of your pockets right now.
Yeah, always fucking recording, bro. Like,
What do you mean? You guys don't want me to show your cars? I won't. Look at this. Aired out. Lame.
Just because you don't like Natalie.
Dang. Keep going, bro. Come on. Nice camera action. Carl's quiet today, bro.
He's hungry, bro.
I know. We gotta feed you, huh?
Went too fast on a GTR.
Kid,
He almost killed 2 kids.
He's never gonna drive the same, bro. He's gonna have nightmares tonight. It was?
It was his like long lost brother or something.
Oh, dirty bastard. Ew. Mercedes. Yuck. Smell. That's cigar weed. Smell like cigar weed in here.
Hey, alright, Benson, can you take me to Chipotle?
Benson.
Come on, Benson. Oh, don't hit that.
Dang, all over us.
No,
Look at this
mames.
ambient lighting, bro. Dude, look at that sunset, though.
SoCal, baby.
Wow, beautiful. Yo, turn the child locks off, bro. What is this?
We got a child.
Oh, look, somebody's posted up. Ooh, another AMG.
AMG boys.
Damn. Cali vibes. Damn, my boy. How you feeling?
I feel amazing.
When are you gonna put the vodka?
I'm about to pay you now. Pay all of us too, bro.
Yeah, for this video.
Oh, it's for never? Oh, shit.
Damn. Okay.
That's it?
That's different.
Yeah, I'll be back with some pops this week. Be right back.
It sounds decent right now.
Sounds good, right?
Yeah.
Never post this shit. I'll never post it.
All right, later. Go. Really? All right, go straight motor though.
What the hell? What the hell is he in there?
All right, keep your foot on the brakes, dude.
Bro, it sounds like Kenny's Prius, bro.
Can I rev it?
You can try. Hybrid, just keep it in park.
It's in park. You're good. Yeah.
Corsa. Oh, no,
It's
that's
on
not
electric, bro. That's what
It's a hybrid?
I think this is the kick car, huh?
Look, is this gay, bro?
Bro, this is crazy.
That's how I was gonna focus you. Turn it on.
Carbon wheels, huge ceramic brakes,
Damn.
carbon fiber.
No, but when the engine is on, it's just so fucking good.
It's like half and half, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like that Porsche, right?
It's a Prius.
No, what's that one Porsche that's half hybrid too? The 918 or something?
Thing is perfect in every way. Maybe it needs more electricity.
Yeah, maybe we need to plug it in.
Oh! Oh! Look at the fumes getting on Carl's pants. Yeah, that was like
How much
50.
is it?
That was like 50
1.2
bucks.
million?
That was a $50 turn on right there. At least.